how to manage muted words on Twitter. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage muted words on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then go here and now click setting and privacy and now click this one, privacy and safety, and then click this one, mute and block. And now click muted words here, this one, click on it, and as you see here you can manage muted words, and that's how manage muted words on Twitter. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.